Welcome to 3-Minute Chair Yoga. Let's start with a deep breath in and a deep breath out. In again and out. We'll begin by relaxing our shoulders and rolling them back 5 times. Easing the strain on our shoulders and upper back. Now roll your shoulders forward 5 times. Leaning your head to the right, place your right hand on your left ear. Press gently to stretch your neck and upper shoulders. Be mindful of the strain that we put on our neck and shoulders throughout the workday. Now switch. With your left hand, place it on your right ear and press gently to stretch. We're on our keyboards all day, and so you want to roll out your wrists in both directions to stimulate blood flow and relax your forearms. Now raise both arms up and then fold them at the elbow as far back as you can, leaning back if that is comfortable for you. Now we're engaging our whole upper body in a stretch and then decompression. Keeping your arms up and back, take your right hand and pull the left elbow for a side stretch along your left side. Now take your left hand and pull the right elbow to generate clear, harmonious energy for the rest of your day. If it's available to you, look up toward the ceiling. And release. Remember to bookmark this video to give yourself an energy boost before your meetings. I hope you have an energetic and productive rest of your day.